Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start immediately by isolating the rusted zone and wearing gloves. This protects you and the appliance finish. Apply white vinegar directly and let it soak 5–10 minutes to dissolve scale chemically. Once done, sprinkle baking soda to create a mild abrasive paste that neutralizes acid and lifts rust. Use a soft nylon brush, not steel wool, to scrub along the grain. This prevents scratches. Make sure to wipe residue with a damp cloth and dry thoroughly to inspect progress and avoid reoxidation. After initial removal, target stubborn pits by applying a thicker baking soda paste and letting it sit 10–15 minutes so the abrasive action softens rust bonds. Then scrub gently with a nylon brush following the grain. This reduces visible scratches. If rust persists, switch to a commercial stainless polish or a diluted oxalic acid solution applied briefly. Always rinse promptly. Once the stain lifts, rinse thoroughly with water, dry, and buff with a microfiber cloth to restore luster and check for remaining oxidation. To finish, apply a thin film of mineral oil or a dedicated stainless polish. This creates a hydrophobic barrier that slows future rust formation. Make sure to wipe excess so you don't attract dust. For deep pitting or weakened areas, consider professional repair or panel replacement because surface methods won't restore lost metal. If rust returns rapidly, troubleshoot by checking for chlorine sources, harsh cleaners, or trapped moisture. Remove the source and repeat cleaning. If nothing helps, seek a pro to assess structural damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.